it's so hot today because
Vlog ka?
because we're going to mall today. Maybe we're either
Saan mall tayo? Park kuya.
maybe Robinson's Magnolia, Papa Tom.
Ano naman? Layo naman.
Oh, okay. What about Robinson's Marikina?
Layo naman.
Huh? Seriously? What about never mind animal na lang Robinson's Magnolia?
Init dun eh. Talaro dun.
Kuya,